The Sands Original Products V8 engine card holder turns a simple business card stand into a detailed miniature small block engine that instantly grabs attention on any desk or counter. Its printed plastic construction keeps the piece lightweight, yet sturdy enough for everyday use in busy offices, garages, or repair shops. The design is clearly inspired by classic Chevrolet small block engines, making it a fun conversation starter for mechanics, gearheads, and automotive sales professionals. Card capacity is practical for real work use, holding a useful stack of business cards while keeping them neatly presented and easy to grab. Because it is a static display and not a functioning model kit, there are no moving parts to break or assemble, which makes it very low maintenance. The playful engine styling also makes it a thoughtful gift for car enthusiasts on holidays or special occasions, especially for dads, husbands, or coworkers who live and breathe automotive culture.